Ovarian cancer. Ovarian cancer starts from the ovaries. Ovarian cancer is the fifth most common cancer among women, and it causes more deaths than any other type of female reproductive cancer. The cause is unknown. The risk for developing ovarian cancer appears to be affected by several factors. The more children a woman has and the earlier in life she gives birth, the lower the risk for ovarian cancer. Older women are at higher risk. About 2/3 of the deaths from ovarian cancer occur in women aged 55 and older. About 25% of ovarian cancer deaths are in ages of women 35 to 54. Women who take estrogen replacement for 5 years or more seem to have a higher risk of ovarian cancer. Birth control pills decrease the risk of ovarian cancer, and more recent studies suggest that fertility drugs do not increase the risk for ovarian cancer. Some symptoms include bloating, difficulty eating or feeling full quickly, and pelvic or abdominal pain. But other symptoms are also seen with ovarian cancer. However, these symptoms are also common in women who do not have cancer, such as abnormal menstrual cycles, constipation, increased gas, indigestion, lack of appetite, and nausea and vomiting. Treatment. Surgery is part of the treatment for all stages of ovarian cancer. For earlier stages, it may be the only treatment. Surgery involves removal of the uterus, removal of both ovaries and fallopian tubes, partial or complete removal of the omentum, the fatty layer that covers the pads, organs in the abdomen, and examination, biopsy, or removal of the lymph nodes and other tissues in the pelvis and abdomen. Prevention. Having regular pelvic examinations may decrease the overall risk. Screening tests for ovarian cancer remains a very active research area. To date, there is no cost-effective screening test for ovarian cancer. More than 50% of women with ovarian cancer are diagnosed at the late stages of the disease.